Hi everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll be comparing Flask and FastAPI, two very powerful, commonly used frameworks in Python for developing web applications. Let's get started. Web development in Python offers a variety of frameworks to choose from, each with its own set of strengths and use cases. Flask and FastAPI are powerful choices but cater to different developer needs and project requirements. In this comparative analysis, we'll dive into Flask and FastAPI, exploring their features, performance, and use cases to help you make an informed decision. Flask is a micro web framework designed to be simple and lightweight. It provides the essentials for building web applications without imposing a particular structure or set of components, giving developers the freedom to choose how they want to structure their applications. Some of its features are minimalism. Flask follows the micro-philosophy, providing the basics for web development. It doesn't include features like ORM, form validation, or authentication out of the box, but developers can easily add these functionalities using extensions. Flexibility: Flask is highly customizable, allowing developers to choose components, libraries, and extensions based on their project requirements. Ease of learning: Flask's simplicity makes it an excellent choice for web development for Python beginners. Widespread adoption: Flask has been around for a really long time and has strong community and ecosystem with numerous extensions and plugins. Its use cases include rapid prototyping. Flask is ideal for quickly building prototypes or small-scale web applications. It's also good for some proof of concept projects for hackathons or something that you just want to do. It's pretty fast. API development. Flask is often used to create RESTful API serving as a backend for single-page or mobile applications. Microservices. Flask's minimalistic design makes it a good choice for building microservices that perform specific tasks within a more extensive architecture. FastAPI, the modern framework. FastAPI is a modern and highly performant web framework designed to build APIs. It leverages Python 3.6 plus type hints and asynchronous programming to provide an efficient and intuitive developer experience. Features: Type hinting: FastAPI uses Python type hints to define API request and response models, making code more readable and automatically generating interactive API documentation. Automatic validation: FastAPI performs automatic request validation based on type hints, reducing the need for manual input validation code. Async support: FastAPI fully supports async programming, making it well suited for handling high concurrency and I/O-bound operations. Built-in authentication: While it is still a relatively new framework, FastAPI has growing support for authentication and authorization mechanisms. Some of its use cases: FastAPI is the go-to choice for building RESTful APIs, GraphQL APIs, or any web service that requires robust input validation and documentation. Real-time applications: FastAPI is a solid choice for building real-time applications such as chat or IoT systems, thanks to its asynchronous capabilities. High-performance applications: When a performance is critical requirement, FastAPI's async support and automatic validation can significantly improve development time. Performance comparison: FastAPI's async capabilities give it a significant performance advantage over Flask in handling high concurrency workloads. This makes FastAPI an excellent choice for applications that need to scale efficiently. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next one.